everyone. Ayan, tayo magluluto ng sabaw or soup. Ito ang ating meat, pork meat, dried yam, and the other one. And this the ginseng root. Commonly, they are using this one. Laging ginagamit sa pagluto ng sabaw. So, ayan ang ating ingredients for tonight's soup. And samahan niyo ako sa ating pagluluto, guys. Mag-slice tayo ng meat. So, ayan. Cut the meat in your own version. And this is my version. Ganyan po siya kinakat. So, ayan. I already washed this all. So, hintayin natin kumulo yan. Tubig. Yan ang pat natin para sa sabaw. Hintayin natin kumulo before we cook the ingredients. But before that, I need to blanch the meat. So, ayan, iba-blanch natin yan. Hintayin natin kumulo. Blanch natin lagi ang meat. Lagi kong binablanch ang meat before put in the pot to cook. So, ayan, papakulaan natin ng isang oras to. Ayan, guys, and bye-bye. God bless, and thank you for watching. Ito po ang ating ulam ngayon. Nung tawag natin dito. Pa-ID na lang. Ito, sprouted. Ayan, beans. Baguio beans. Yan. Gisadong Baguio beans. At saka ito. Yan. Picadillo. Happy is life. Yan. Different kind of pagkain.